I'm about to take you guys on a flavor journey from my youth. Growing up in the Appalachians of North Carolina, one of my favorite summertime snacks was the MATER sandwich. And I'm about to show you how to use these ingredients right here to make a MATER sandwich. First, you take your bread, and the cheapest supermarketist bread that you can find, the better. Take a butter knife, and you give one of the breads a nice liberal helping. Then you take your pepper, and on the mayonnaise side of things, you give it a nice even coating. Now, you don't have to be as meticulous as me, unless you want a bomb-ass MATER sandwich. Now you're gonna get ready for the MATER side of things. Take your big old fat sandwich and MATER and just lop off the end right there. Then you're gonna go for half a centimeter to a centimeter. Right there. That's the perfect sandwich and MATER right there for me. My tastes. This is just about to cover up the whole bread. Boom! Get out of here, MATER. I'll meet you later. Alright, now this is an important part. You're gonna need some salt on there, and you use the MATER side because you can see the salt better. Don't put your salt in the mayonnaise side unless you just really like salt. I really like salt. There you go. There's a MATER sandwich straight from my house to yours. Enjoy. I think the law governing MATER sandwiches states that a MATER sandwich is allowed to be enjoyed by any man, woman, or child in whatever way they see fit. So if you're already a MATER sandwich expert and you got some tips, I'll try your MATER sandwich, send it along. Or if you come up with your own way and you find something amazing, share it with me, let me know. I will try your MATER sandwich. Until then.